man that was involved in that accident a little early on. Able to continue. Quite a bit of damage to the left quarter panel, but not enough to hold him on the run. So might have more damage than the shot.
It's still on fire.
So fire put out. And it'll take them a few minutes to clean this up. So if you got 50-50 raffle tickets, take them out of your pocket. We'll be drawing for that in a second. The $500 fast cash, the drawing goes to Randy Hewell. Randy Hewell is over there on Old Lincoln Highway. Randy Hewell, you are the winner of the $500 fast cash. Congratulations. Randy will be contacting you via email. Email that you provided on the entrance. So congratulations, Randy.